$37,301. And I think it was 387. 225. Yeah. Do you remember that unit? Where's that? You'll be fine now. Yeah, extra over 3,119. Another Victoria from Brighton. Yep, 37217. You will not get these 3,119. Yeah, 3,119. Yeah, 3,217. Yeah. Well, 37302 yes, 37302 and 37128 off to Eastbourne. And there's 30306 just there. Do you rather go 37128? Yes, 37306 there. In terms of race stat, hold on. 387. There's some 12 right there. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see me from here, please? Can you see me? Seven hundred. 137. Is it? I can't see. Am I got a real time trains? Yeah, Bedford to Bedford from Brighton. That's another 700. These has 200 zeros to formations. Might not be fine because it's one of the real time trains. Yeah, probably Cambridge to Brighton. Yeah, Cambridge to Brighton. That's it. Cambridge to Brighton. That's better. I'm gonna keep recording because I'm at the freight train, the first freight train of the day. Only freight train of the day. It's already recorded. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right. Yes, did you give me my phone some space? Yeah.
You okay?
Excuse me, look, my camera is give me some space. 66063! 18. Next 70137 to Bedford from Brighton. Yeah, I can film it now. Yeah, it's 66 rather than 98. From New Haven Day aggregates to Wembley receptions. From New Haven Day aggregates to Wembley receptions. $17. We still on the train, the Bedford train. We still got to go on the platform where we're going to Bedford. Yeah? Huh? Yeah? Hold on.